what's an overkill in terms of like gathering data, but at the same time, what you need to understand your operations or, your services in your city. So that's one. People have woken up to like how they could use and understand and measure shared mobility services. The other paradigm shift is, if you wanted to call it, would be, and I would say in some of the operations side, it has been there for a long term. And we can see those services sticking around, which is profit before growth, right? So a lot in terms of shared mobility has always been, over the first half of the decade, I would say, was always about like grow. Just go and check how many cities you can do. So micromobility providers would just like count the number of cities. Car share providers would just go and flood the number of cities with the number of cars that they could. And then eventually people would find out that this model doesn't work in the same way as it did in the other city, right? Now you have a problem of like services going bust. You can't survive. The few users that started using a service in a city, now they can't use the service because they're not around. So I think that's the paradigm shift is in terms of like the profit before growth in terms of operations. And for the policy makers, there is a stop and think and proceed kind of an approach. So they are taking an informed approach towards what they want to do